my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. The very first video using my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Got some non-copyright music playing in the background. Huge shout out KV. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Let me know how the stability does in this video as well. Have the Z Fold 5 attached to my iAudi dash mount on a beautiful, beautiful evening. 72 degrees. Yeah, let me know how the music sounds. Hope everybody's doing well. Man. A little tired this morning. A little tired. I received my Z Fold 5 yesterday, and it was a big surprise. Big surprise. I was supposed to receive it by the 11th, and I figured maybe 1 or 2 days early, but I didn't figure on having it this early, which I was so stoked when I saw the package. I was like, no freaking way. Yeah, man. And I got a package from Rinky, so I'll be having case reviews from Rinky. Expecting more cases to come in. Subcase, Poetic, Caseborn, and hopefully Ghost Tech as well. Yeah, just wanted to shoot a little video, test out the cameras, and hopefully everything looks great, everything sounds great, and the stability's doing its job. Looking forward to using 3 apps as far as the multitasking. I don't know how much that will be a part of what I do when it comes to multitasking. Using 2 apps with my Pixel Fold, I do that a lot. I use the inner display a lot, and I'm sure I will use the inner display of the Z Fold 5 a lot. Again, I don't know as far as using 3 apps, if there's any reason for me to do that, but we'll see. We'll see how that works out. I'm looking forward to my media intake with the larger display, all of that landscape. I know that I use the inner display of my Pixel Fold more than I do the cover display, and I know that that's opposite for a lot of you. So I'm most likely going to be jumping into the inner display of the Z Fold 5 a lot, but I'll enjoy everything about it, man. It's got some really great flex as far as opening and shutting the Fold display. It's just a really well-built device. Feels great in hand. Feels solid in hand. Love the color. The matte gray texture on the back. The matte black aluminum rails. The matte black camera bump. Man. Yeah, it's just a good looking smartphone. I'm sure it's going to be a powerhouse. Going to be doing some comparisons, camera test, video test. Of course, the biggest challenger is going to be my Google Pixel phone. So anyway, let me know how everything looked. And if you have the Z Fold 5, let me know what your first impressions, your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this video. Probably said that 3 or 4 times. But stay tuned for more. Appreciate all of you watching the unboxing. Really, really do. All right. Oh, I didn't mention 4K 60 frames per second. I didn't mention that at the beginning of the video. It'll be in the title. So anyway, 4K 60 frames per second with the one and only Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I am out.